Hi everyone, welcome back to Stitcher's Castle. Today I'm so excited to share with you a kit I picked up on Biggest Craft. I got this at Biggest Craft, like I said, and it's from Joy Sunday. And I was so excited to get all the seasons. I picked up all four seasons, so let me know if you would like me to share all of them with you. But for today, I thought I would open the Door of Winter kit, which you can see right here. Um, yeah, this is Door of Winter, and for example, they also have um, Door of Spring. So with us going into the fall season, I thought I'd start off with Door of Winter today. And Biggest Craft is offering this one under the name Joy Sunday Winter Gate 14 count stamped cross stitch. It's measuring at 27 by 37 centimeters, and as you can see, it is a 14 count. So anyway, let's let's check this out. The first thing I noticed with this Joy Sunday kit is the great packaging. What I like about it is you can see the image of what your finished project will look like right there on the front because some vendors offer just a plain bag and all you can see is the pattern. So what I like about Joy Sunday is that you've got this great inspiration right on the front. Showing what your design would look like. Okay, so open it up. Excuse me. And I think I paid, well, this one is being offered at $5.99. So that's probably about what I paid for it. $5.99. Let's see if I, oh, well, better for you. Right now it's being offered at $4.99 on biggestcraft.com. So it's, yeah, they're offering at $4.99. So that's a little less than I paid for it. So anyway, so here's your cover page there, and it just has a beautiful wreath and garland wreath, a lovely red door and little tree for the holidays, and a beautiful reindeer there, and some lanterns, and it's just festive, festive and bright. The floss included is cotton floss, and let's take a look at the pattern. Okay, your pattern. Okay, so this is the top of the pattern here. There's the top of it, top of the door. And this one looks like here on the margin that it is 32 colors, all in full stitch. So that's excellent. So it's 32 colors, all in full stitch. And this is the bottom of the pattern. And that's detailing over here. You also have a few half stitches of 8 half stitches and one French knot and two in back stitch. And that just gives you additional detail for your finished design. Um, so, wow, really pretty. All right, let's see what our pattern is looking like. This is awesome. This one is great. It's a great size. Like I said, it's 27 centimeters by 37 centimeters. So I would say it's about 15 inches by 13 inches if I had to guess. Um, so the name of it on the website is Winter Gate, Christmas Winter Gate, but the pattern is it lists the title as Door of Winter. So, and then all along your margins, you have your thread number all here, and it indicates which which type of stitch you should do. So again, you have your full stitch, half, and French knot. The majority of it is in full stitch. Yeah, it's just a bright pattern and inspirational for your holiday decor. Let's take a look at the threads. All right. So here's our thread card. Um, and here I can see attached, they give us, let's see, there's 2 needles in there. So that's great. Just in this little resealable bag, you get 2 needles and all your lovely threads. So let's see. Thread card number 1 has 30 colors. So, this is all on thread card 1. And then thread card 2 contains 4 colors, like so. And this is not a very large project, so we don't get any additional skeins of floss here. And again, for the price point at $4.99, this is a really good value and a quick stitch because, yeah, it's basically a little larger than the size of a sheet of paper as far as your pattern. So this is a very doable project. And I love all the colors, the color variety here. I mean, you've got your greens, turquoise, red, yellow, and it's just a warm color, a warm color motif for a cold season. So yeah, it looks like a fun project to get into. And I hope you're able to pick this one up if you're looking for a holiday project. You might want to take a look and get this one. Like I said, I got it from biggestcraft.com. I paid for it with my own money. I paid $5.99 for this one, but now it's being offered at a lower price of $4.99, and it's still available, and it's in the 14 count. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what other kits you would like to see. Do you want to see all the seasons? What kind of projects are you working on? And I appreciate you subscribing and liking the video and commenting. And I'm happy to share these with you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.